Alrighty guys, as you guys just saw, we just picked up a brand new build for the channel, and it is a dirt bike. This is a Honda cr125. It is a 1994. It does not run. It needs a top end rebuild and maybe some other things. The carburetor is gone. It's in a basket with the throttle as well. It's not up there. I did only pick this thing up for 300 bucks. This is more gonna be like a budget build, so I'm hoping to only put about 300 more bucks into it, and it's gonna be a flip. So I'm just gonna buy it, fix it up, and sell it. See how much money I can make on this thing. I'm gonna quit talking and start tearing this thing apart to get the engine out. So let's take all these plastics, everything apart, and hopefully by the end of this video we could get this engine out. In the next video, I ordered a rebuild kit which should be coming in about 2 days. So hopefully in the next video I'll have this engine completely taken apart and put back together. Alrighty, so we just got the engine out, and it's really nasty in here. Like, really gross. This whole bike, from the whole bottom where the chain is, where the engine was, disgusting. Look how thick that is. But as you guys saw, we got the engine out. This thing's pretty dirty too. So in the next video, we're just gonna basically do the top end rebuild on this thing. New piston, the new seals and everything. Alrighty guys, that's just gonna have to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please hit the like button and the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any videos. Peace out.